Hi everybody, this is Terry from Sweet Pea Papers, Sweet Pea Papers Facebook group, and Junk Journal Tutorials and More Facebook group. And this is our Buzz into Spring drawing for the month of March of 2024. Now, there's going to be two separate videos, one for each group, Sweet Pea Papers and Junk Journal Tutorials and More. You want to still go ahead and get your freebies from all 6 groups that were participating this time, and be sure to get your kit papers, half of which are at LineDotArrow and the other half are at Nonstop Papercrafts. Okay, so now for this month's drawing, I want to make sure to reiterate that you guys need to contact me either by messenger or by email, and I'll give you both of those links. And let me know if you're a winner. That way I can send you the information on how to claim your prize. Otherwise, I'm not going to track you down if you don't, watch the video to see if you're a winner. Then too bad, so sad. Be there or be square, right? So there's 2 really bad sayings all at once. So let's go from Sweet Pea Papers. Let's go to our random number generator. And let's bring up our spreadsheet. We have 272 entries in Sweet Pea Papers this month, and I would like to thank everyone who participated. It's awesome that we have that many entries, and I want to wish everybody good luck. Okay, so we've got an upper limit of 272 and a lower limit of 1. Ignore this. This is from the last time, this is from the last time that we used the random number generator, so that's not a number that we're going to deal with today. So we're going to deal the first prize, let's do the third place prize first, and that's going to be one Junk Journal tutorial kit. I cannot talk this morning, I apologize, from either LineDotArrow or Nonstop Papercrafts. Okay, so let's generate a number. Number 70. Let's go back to the spreadsheet. Number 70. Well, let's get back there, huh? Number 70 is Julie Turner, and she's got the third place prize. So Julie, be sure to get a hold of me, and congratulations. Our second place prize winner is number 145. Let's go back up here. And that's Mel Cogburn. Let me double check that. Okay, Mel Cogburn. Congratulations. For a minute there, I thought you were on the design team and couldn't enter for some reason. So you got the second place prize. Congratulations. That's 2 Junk Journal kits, either from 2 from LineDotArrow or 2 from Nonstop Papercrafts, one from each. You can mix it up. Be sure to contact me and let me know you're a winner so I can send you the information on how to claim your prize. Okay, and first place prize for the 3 Junk Journal tutorial kits, and you can split it up or do it all from one shop. And the winner of the 3 Junk Journal kits is number 272. That's going to be our very last person. Who is that? Wendy Star Ellen Tiller. Congratulations, Wendy, because I'm not going to try to say that long name once again. So you've won the first place prize. Congratulations on that. Go ahead and, I don't think I can do it on this when it's all short like this. Okay, I'll highlight them later. So that's it for the drawing for this video. And then make sure that you go over to or watch the Junk Journal Tutorials and More Facebook group drawing, because they're 2 separate ones and you can win in both. You can't win obviously twice in one, but that's okay because we've got our winners for this one. And so I will see you at the end of next month for our collaboration drawing. But this time it's not going to be with Nonstop Papercrafts. We're just going to have a really nice big drawing from LineDotArrow and Sweet Pea Papers and the Junk Journal tutorials and more groups. Okay? All right, well, that's it for this video, and I'll see you next month for next month's drawing video. And have a great day, and this just happens to be Easter, so have a happy Easter, and I will see you guys next month. Bye-bye.